Happy Easter, everyone. Hope you're all ready for a good weekend. So, I'm going to have a busy one. No cars this weekend. So let's have a look at what I've got planned. I've got one wall finished. Well, I say finished. It still needs to be filled and painted. And we've had some skirting board changed in the house, and I reclaimed the old stuff to use out here. But this weekend I've got a load of timber and more plasterboard being delivered. The aim is to get all of this wall completed. So busy weekend, but should be achievable. It's, once it's all cleared out of the way. The hardest part is actually clearing everything out of the way. But hopefully get it all done, and then I can actually start transforming the garage into something that's usable without having to move around stuff all the time or trip over things.